Ciao ragazzi, per chi non mi conoscesse, io sono Agazio e questo è il mio canale e nel video di oggi vi mostrerò altri 15 progetti, altre 15 semplici cose da fare a casa quando si è annoiati e non si ha cosa fare. Quindi direi che questo video è davvero perfetto per questi giorni un po' così che stiamo vivendo tutti noi adesso. Ovviamente fatemi sapere nei commenti qui sotto quale di questi progetti vi è piaciuto di più e come sempre non dimenticate di attivare la campanella per i prossimi video perché altrimenti YouTube non invierà le notifiche, di iscrivervi a questo canale e di lasciare un bel mi piace a questo video per supportare il video e ovviamente il canale. Vi ricordo anche di seguirmi su Instagram, mi chiamo Fimo Kawaii Emotions, e anche su TikTok perché ultimamente sto facendo davvero un sacco di TikTok perché la quarantena dà un po' alla testa. Io direi subito di iniziare perché già ho parlato davvero tanto.
It's over, you wanted her, so just give me what I deserve. So can I get some closure? Stay right where you are and don't come closer. If you haven't picked it up, it's over. Run back to her, cause I got what I want, closure. It was all a big mistake, never meant to miss the date. I was caught up with my friends, I forgot that we had plans. So the roses on the floor and found the champagne by the door. All my favorite things, they were there except for you. You were gone. Now I'm here all alone and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice. Baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. Every text I sent was read, so I know that you ain't dead. If you just let me explain, we can minimize the pain. So you post to call your fam. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your life. All the things I would say just to make it up to you, but you're gone. Now I'm here all alone, and I really wish you'd just pick up your phone. Called you like 1,000 times, you saw my name and hit decline. Pick up, pick up. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line. Pick up your line. Told you once, I'll tell you twice, baby, I apologize. So pick up your line.
looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I move on, I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times.
Il video di oggi finisce qui, mi raccomando fatemi sapere nei commenti qui sotto quale di questi 15 progetti è stato il vostro preferito e fatemi sapere inoltre come state passando questi giorni a casa, cosa fate giorno. Non so se avete notato qualche cambiamento su questo canale, tipo il nome, la copertina e la sigla. Fatemi sapere anche che cosa ne pensate di tutto ciò. Noi ci vediamo prossima settimana con un nuovissimo video, sempre alle 2. Ciao!